Hi, it's Marcus here. I'm together here with Dennis, and we are taking you through the chart of the day. And as you know, on a daily basis, we put what we think is a great stock that we are getting into and why onto our Telegram group for our members. So let's have a look at one of those stocks. QCOM, right?
Yeah, so we went into QCOM. So we have certain criteria which we need to follow when we enter. So we had the right amount of bounces.
So this is based on our Buffalo strategy.
Yeah. But of course, we never know which direction it's gonna, but we have the probability. So we have a stop loss. When we're trading, we always have a stop loss.
Because you had the stop loss below this one.
Yes, exactly. And then it started to go.
So hold on, where did you get in? You got on around 50 something, 51?
Around 50, around 50, just under 52. And then...
Can you see that?
Yeah. So then it started to go in our direction, and we made a good profit, and then it shot up and actually reached the take profit, the area that we want to sell at.
I bet everybody got out, no?
Well, some did, but...
Well, that's, hold on, that's like a 20% gain right there.
Yeah, that's a 20% gain, but we would, this is, we are, it was very good. But then, a lot of people, we were talking, and they asked, oh, do you think we should sell? But then I said, I moved my stop loss up instead.
Oh, where did you move it up to?
So, we were talking about it in this area, so we moved it to just underneath here. So then when it went up, well, then we moved it underneath.
Good one.
Underneath, we take profit. So then it continued up and gapped up the day after.
So what was the final?
Oh, so the final was really good. I can measure it for you, so just so everybody can see. So this one is 52, and then all the way up here. So the total,
it went up higher, right? But most people would have gotten out at around 57%.
Yeah, 57%.
57% gain on that one there. And if I'm looking at the ratio here, let's say that would have been about a 1% loss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a good 6% on the entire portfolio. That's pretty good. 6% on your entire portfolio in approximately 2 weeks, I'm guessing? 3 weeks.
Yeah.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. That is what the stock market can do. 6% on your entire portfolio in just under a month.
Yeah.
And that is insane. So that's great, because those ones are fantastic, because what that means, because we only ever risk 1% on any one trade, we can now have 6 losses in a row and we're still at break even. But we're not going to have 6 losses in a row.
No.
But we could, but so that's the point. And that's why you have to follow the rules. And one of those rules is let your profits run. That's one of the 2 golden rules of trading. So that's fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you. Well, congratulations to all the members.
Congratulations to all the members.